Walking through the streets of Thailand, looking so sexy. I'm about to get myself together, and I'm gonna go from this to an extra bad bitch. Cause I'm already a bad bitch, but I'm gonna be an extra bad bitch. Right now, I'm going to the nail salon. Of course, there's a motorcycle. Right now, I'm going to the nail salon, and I'm gonna get my nails and my toes done. So I'll see you in there. In here. Very luxurious. About to get these toes together. Oh my goodness, my feet, they've been under stress. Look at the veins popping out. Got some bath salts. And she gave us some water. Cheers. Get the toes together. Okay, maybe I think I'm gonna get this 06 color. This one on my nails. toes done. Like, it's supposed to be cat eye, and like some of them is kind of giving the cat eye, like this one a little bit, but it's not really. But it's still cute. It's new. It's something different for me, but it's still cute. So now tomorrow we're gonna get this hair done, because baby, I'm so tired of looking like this. And it's not even because, you know, it's my natural hair or whatnot. It's because I don't have the proper shoelace to really get a tight puff. So what I really need to do is put some knots in this shoelace so that I can really get a nice tight puff on top of my head. But until then, I'm gonna get some plaits, some boho. Okay, so until tomorrow. So I blew out my hair last night, blew it out lightly, flat ironed it, just so that these people can have a little bit more ease with dealing with my natural hair. I am going to a Thai lady to do my plaits, but I see black people on her page, so she has touch. Her hands have been in black people hair, so I feel secure enough to go to her. So we're gonna see. But I'm about to go downstairs and get in my Grab. That is our Uber here in Thailand. And then about to head over there. It's a 20-minute drive to the shop. And her shop is called Nooni's African Shop, girl. Like, girl, you ain't African, but she doing African styles, I guess. So that's why I like braids and stuff. But anyways, I'm about to go head downstairs, get in the Grab, and head on over there. Sawadee-ka. Straight to business, y'all. This would have been so much harder if I didn't do this at home. Almost done. Just gotta finish the ends. We are done. Got my hair done by the Thai ladies, and they did their damn thing, okay? Period. The only thing that I don't like about my hair is the part is not in the center, but I swear, like other cultures, white, freaking Indian, Thai, like Spanish, they always have like an off-center middle part. I never knew why, but like it's like black girls really be like straight bust down middle part. We be so particular about our middle part, but other than that, like they ate the girls up, ate them up, and yeah, they ate the girls up with this one. This is my nails. Did up. I'm gonna do my lashes and my eyebrows by myself later tonight, because that's the one thing I'm not trying to I don't want them to do my eyebrows too thin. I'm a cut up in that motherfucking place, and I don't need to be sitting laying on my back for an hour plus for some lashes that I'm gonna keep on for 3 days. I will put on my little 10-minute lash clusters and call it a day. Okay, got my toes done. Hold on, in the sun. Yeah, very cute. See, very demure. You can see all three: hair, nails. But yeah, so in total, I paid this much for everything: nails, toes, and hair. I don't know right now as I'm talking to y'all, so I'm gonna put it on the screen right here in USD and Thai baht of how much I paid to get myself together for my little, you know, self-maintenance. So right now, I'm about to go ahead, unpack my suitcase finally, and then give y'all a room tour, so stay tuned for that.